If you're paying for one lawn spray a year, you're wasting your money. And I don't mean that in a salesy way. I'm going to show you the science behind it so that you never fall for this again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why single treatments fail, why the weeds always come back, and what actually keeps a lawn clean year after year. Every spring, thousands of homeowners do the exact same thing. They see weeds, they get frustrated, they hire someone for a one-time spray. And for a few days, the lawn looks a lot better. Some weeds will curl up, some weeds will start to yellow, and you think, great, problem solved. Then, 3 weeks later, the weeds are back, or even worse than before. This is the trap, temporary results that fade fast. And most people have no clue why. Every lawn has a seed bank, thousands of weed seeds sitting just below the surface, waiting for the right temperature, moisture, and sunlight to sprout. One spray won't touch any of these. You're only killing what's already visible above ground. So basically, you're just mowing the top of a problem that keeps growing from underneath. Here's the real kicker. Weeds don't all grow in the same month. Different weeds germinate at different times of the year. Crabgrass loves summer soil temps, dandelions early spring plus fall, poana late fall and winter, henbit and chickweed are winter annuals, nutsedge warm and wet weather, broadleaf weeds multiple flushes. So when you spray one time, you're only hitting one moment in the weed cycle. That's why new weeds appear right after the old ones die. They were always scheduled to germinate later. The pre-emergent will stop the weeds before they pop through the soil. Think of it like a thin, invisible barrier. Post-emergent will kill what's already visible. A one-time spray typically just uses one of these. Maybe both, but only once. To stay clean, you need both applied at the right times throughout the season. Because that barrier doesn't last forever, it'll wear down. And when it does, your seed bank takes over again. These lawns got a one-time spray. Look how many weeds came back in just 2 to 4 weeks. This is normal, not a mistake, just biology. And these lawns, they're on a multi-step program, meaning we hit each weed cycle as it happens. Same climate, same soil, the only difference is consistency. Most herbicides take 3 to 7 days to show visible results. And by day 10 or 12, new weeds that you haven't even seen yet start emerging. That's why it feels like the spray didn't work. It did kill the old weeds, it just didn't stop the new ones. You could have the strongest mix ever bottled, but if you spray it the wrong time of year, you're going to get poor results. Too late in the spring, crabgrass wins. Spray too early in summer, summer weeds not germinated yet. Spraying in the winter misses the spring weeds. Skip the fall round, poana massacre. This is why lawn care companies spray multiple times. Not to upsell you, but because the weeds don't stop growing. Multiple pre-emergent windows, seasonal post-emergent, correct timing, kill the seed bank gradually, consistency over a full year. It doesn't matter who you hire, us or someone else, but if they don't target these timing windows, you won't get long-term results. So next time someone offers you a one and done spray, just know it's like washing your car once a year. It'll look good for a moment, but it won't last. If you want long-term weed control, you want a multi-step program that follows the weed cycle. That's the only way to keep a lawn clean year-round. Hey, this is Aaron with Huskey Turf. If you want real, no-nonsense lawn care tips based on what actually works here in Oklahoma, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. We have a lot more coming your way. And don't miss this next video, why your lawn still gets weeds after you spray. It will connect perfectly with everything we covered today.